free. When I used to die. If you can, let's just roll away on box of cheese. Help me understand. Lying to my face again. She said, I'm sorry, think about it. Keep pounding on the fall line. Too precious. You know this right away, throw away like this. If you proves that really went through from proves sincere. It's on from you. The way I'm lost so much please. How can you understand? Lying to myself again. Suicidal and the soul. Think about it. You're planning on fucking. Oh, fucking through to precious. You know what's right and it's going like this. Disconnect and self-destruct one bullet at a time. What's your issue? Everyone will have this day to die. So, uh, let's start with screening. Yep, everything should be fine. What the fuck can I say? Okay, so that should work. Now, let me go to starting one real quick. Just real quick, just for 2 minutes. Really feel it feels to sincere. Do somewhere far from you. So,
Hey, How's my boy Joyner doing?
I haven't really listened to this album yet. Like I have listened to the what the GTA 6, but not the other ones. I think GTA 6 is from here, right? I wish I knew them. You do not have the rights to use. Bruh. Let me go to my Discord real quick. Although I should be. Huh. I should not have Discord open though, because I'm currently streaming. So let me just go to private mode real quick. If you choose to do it, freedom, choose your trauma, true sincere, do it somewhere far. There's been nothing so good. One bullet at a time. Oh, what's your rush now? Everyone knows. Huh. This should be a banger, I think.
Hey, welcome back. How's my boy Joyner doing?
I don't know what's going on with him, Doctor. He's out of control. He just doesn't listen. He does whatever he wants and fights with me. And now he refuses to take his medicine.
Man, that's some bullshit.
Ah, I see.
And yesterday, I told him to clean his room. And he called me a stupid bitch.
I'm currently in Project Shitbox. I think I should update the ZFU keybounds. I should do that. I was also working on a project for Gentoo, so there's that. A couple of packages for Gentoo, and oh god, I have so much shit to do. Also, I assume live chat is working. Let me just check it real quick. YouTube.com/IndianaWorld. Six foot trip in the middle of the night. Pop, 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 pursue in a fight. Yeah, yeah, pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 little baby. Everything turns in motion. Pop, 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 pop. Super. Okay, so chat works. Nice. That's great. And last six one. Let's for Sea of Sorrow. Anyways.
Way. Joyner, why would you say that to your mother?
It's okay, baby. Shit.
Uh,
Yeah, dog. I mean, we tried everything. I took his PlayStation. I even whooped his ass. I've had plenty of talks with this kid, and even yesterday he told me to go fuck myself.
Wow.
I mean, at this point, he just doesn't get it. We get a call from school like every single day. They're ready to expel him, kick him out of the school.
damn, this kind of hits home though.
Work for this kid.
I get it. I get it.
This kind of hits home.
Do you guys mind stepping out for a second and leaving me and Joyner alone to talk?
Holy shit, this kind of hits home. I wasn't expecting some. I mean, it is Joyner Lucas, so bro is gonna hit with some hard hitting stuff. However, I wasn't kind of expecting this like out of nowhere, and this kind of hits home. So yeah. Fucking hell.
Joyner, come sit next to me so we can talk. Hey, I'm proud of you.
Damn.
Doing exactly what I wanted you to do.
Wait, what?
Wait, huh?
Hey, look at me. You made me proud, kid. You're a good boy. Don't listen to what your parents are telling you to do. They don't know what's going on.
So, what do you want me to do?
I want you to continue to do what you're doing. But this time, I want you to do more, Joyner.
What?
You mean more like what?
I want you to open this bottom drawer right here and tell me what you see.
That looks like a handgun.
Huh?
It sure is.
Hold up.
Man,
Hold
what
up.
do you expect me to do with that?
I want you to do what we both know you really want to do. I want you to put this gun in your waistband and walk out of my office and go on a rampage.
Bruh, what?
What?
Huh?
I want you to kill everything. Anything moves, you kill it.
Hold up.
Man, I don't think I could do that.
Come on.
Hey.
Both know you're a natural.
Hey.
That ADHD go to waste.
Bruh.
Up the gun.
Man, I don't know if I could do this.
Pick up the fucking gun.
I said I can't do it.
Pick up the fucking gun!
Bruh. Oh, wait. It's single. It's in single mode. Anyways.
Nephew, Uncle Snoop Dogg.
Yo, it's Snoop.
Show these motherfuckers how it's done, loco. Show these bitch niggas what this ADHD2 shit is all about. You understand me? Show these motherfuckers, Jordan. What you playing for? Let's go. Ain't no medicine to save me, nigga.
Oh, holy shit.
I'm coming like, ooh, no turning back, gotta get to where I'm going. My ADHD keep jumping like, ooh, shit that I live, they'll never understand. You can never be me, we ain't nothing like, ooh. Came a long way from the bottomless pit, now look at me, bitch, I'm stunting like, ooh. Got a little bitch nigga sour, I probably go to jail for I ever be a coward. I probably be dead for I ever get flowers. I might take that for I ever be honored and try to be something that the industry proud of. But niggas wasn't giving me nada, not a flick on me if you ever need drama. No vest on me like I never seen karma.
Yo, that's kind of fire.
I knew I'd forever be a problem. Never got the love that I needed at home. I was misunderstood, shit turned me to a monster. Dad always letting me down, but my steppops raised me and showed me I never need a bother. Now nigga rich, so would it be a cold day in hell for this bitch nigga ever get a dollar?
What noise?
I ain't got love for nobody give a fuck about me. I'm a self-made nigga, you ain't up without me. Ain't too many motherfuckers around me. I'd have been through the storm, ain't nothing
GTA 6 should be with Thea, right?
told a nigga you swing one duck and I weave. I'ma hold me drink with a cup of Ali. I'm a gotta ride till the wheels fall off. I fuck a bad bitch till the heels fall off. You a dog, I get your whole tail sawed off and your head chopped off. I'm a real lost cause, I'm real fucked up. I'm still caught off. Ain't no pellet gun, it's a real sawed off. I'ma wait for a nigga tryna pop something off. Hit a nigga in the back, that's a real raw dog. Like nigga still showing off. Too much time on your hands, see your hands blowing off. I got money in the bank, got deals going off. I can sell my catalog, but I'm still holding off.
Bro, this is kind of fire.
was trying to keep it together. If I ever make it, I want to change it and make a dividend to get it in and take all the problems that we were living in and throw it all away so we never live in the shit again. And maybe the niggas would have told me I need a riddle and a medicine or anything that'll make me upset again. Or put me in the school with the troublemakers and tripping and would start the shit again. Trying to bully me because I'm different than my ADHD. And I'm thinking that I was living in my head again. Shit.
Ooh, wait. You did?
You don't have to pretend, baby.
This is kind of fire.
Look, it's hard. Looking around, you start to think maybe this isn't what I wanted. But you have to keep going, keep moving on, and don't you ever look back. Don't you ever look back.
Holy shit! This is kind of fire. Yo, let's go. Hey. Yo, I gotta turn it up.
Truck flame shooting out the rims, but I caught a fire truck. Made a couple meals, but it's not enough. Blow a hole through a Brinks truck, then I counted up. I hate when rap niggas try to size me up like I won't wipe a nigga down before I mop him up. 2017, they was blocking us. Now I'm on the charts and you bitches ain't hot as us. 50 told me how to get rich and die trying. Nigga, it's about time. Wasn't hitting them brakes. Fuck your top 5, cause I'm in the top 3. Or your favorite top 5, let's get this shit straight. Funny niggas hate me, but I tell them.
Wait. Hold up. Top 5 and top 3 is joiner. Bruh, no way.
I can't be denied on one of them. Look at my eyes on one of them. Ahead of my time on one of them. I'm one of them. Hey, still in my prime on one of them. Don't be surprised on one of them. Ask who am I on one of them. I'm one of them ones. I can't be denied on one of them. Look at my eyes on one of them. Ahead of my time on one of them. I'm one of them. Hey, still in my prime on one of them.
Testing overlay. So I was working on this, I think. How long have you been? Hey.
Why they playing with me when a nigga waiting to squeeze and a bullet breaking their teeth and I keep on making them bleed. I got a head of disease that'll make them ache at the knees and turn a nigga brains to a double bacon with cheese. And I've been waiting to eat and know what they waiting to see. Ain't no debating with me when I get to taking the lead. Got a couple diamonds on my chain that be making
Huge text roll, so this should work.
So many niggas deceiving me, but I got the millions how to learn this shit ain't what it seemed to be. And understanding what the fuck of my bitch was seeing me. I'm tired of eating competition, the fucks you feeding me. I told him, give me all the smoke and the pump of the greenery. I made a motherfucker choking his lungs repeatedly. I was young, but they treated me like a bum with a DHD. If you don't fuck with Jordan Lucas, and suck my BBC, bitch. I can't be denied on one of them. Look at my eyes on one of them.
Hey.
Ahead of my time on one of them.
Hey.
One of them.
Hey.
Prime on one of them.
Hey.
Don't be surprised on one of them.
Hey.
Ask who am I on one of them. I'm one of them. I'm one of them.
This is fire. So the problem was, like, let me just show it instead of yapping. Yo, what's this? This is Ava Max and Jonah Lucas. So tear me down. Interesting. Nah, I don't like Ava Max that much. Like, where's that?
And I really wanna leave, but I'm too far.
Yo.
And I'm too lost. Wanna let go, but it's too hard. Want a new start. Gotta look inside me, but I'm too scarred. Never knew the pain could be this sad. I don't wanna die young, so I live fast. Never knew a heartbreak could be this bad. I'm afraid to be in love, and I know why. I can never trust what I don't buy. When I feel like giving up,
I should paste this.
But I get depressed when you just leave. I can never get rest till you close by. I don't feel at my best when it's just me. Every time it get bad, then it get worse. When it get worse, then you hit first. Got me living on the edge, I'm just nervous. Sick of trying to build a bridge, get burned. Got me all on my head, I'm just hurt. Wanna run, but we just we don't wanna hit the truth. told me just lie. But I only look at you like you just mine. Said I only look at you like you just mine. Just mine. But we gotta heal. And my head fucked up, don't know how to feel. When you tell me you in love with somebody else. How you tell me you in love with somebody else? You know that I need you. Now I gotta build a life with a stranger. We both know that I wanted it to be you. Goddamn.
I don't like the Ava Max. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. So, sudo EZSH CD bar, just RMRF the whole thing. And then let me show what it actually does. Like if I do and this is install, if I run the install function, you're gonna see that I like the beat though. The beat is kind of fun. This is a bop. Like at first I didn't like the Ava Max stuff that much, however, this is a bop. What? Hold up.
You still on this couch? You been here all day, you ain't do shit, you ain't clean up, you
Oh.
ain't do the dishes. What have you done? Did you at least put gas in my car? Cause you love using my car. You love leeching on me. You are pathetic. You know that? Looking dusty. No, listen, you gonna hear me cause you promised that you was gonna love me better. But what is happening? Huh?
Damn.
'Cause you ain't famous. Tripping. You famously dust. I'm tripping. Sam, I'm tripping.
You know what? Damn. That's one way to heat up shit. Yeah, that was kind of good.
Man, Joyner, it's Kev again. I'm listening to ADHD too, and to be completely honest with you, I'm just confused because I don't understand why we need another one. You already gave us ADHD 7 years ago, man, and I feel like you need some damn therapy at this point. You're goddamn old to be having ADHD,
Bruh.
Joyner. That's kid's disease. Fuck you, kid.
Oh, fuck off, Kevin.
40 years old talking about ADHD still. It's so pathetic. It's pathetic. To be real with you, I'm not impressed. And I waited too long to be getting the same shit from you, and I'm starting to feel like I want to fight. That's right, get your gloves on, bitch. Get your shit together and get some damn therapy. Time to be a man now, Joyner. It's time you just accept the fact that ADHD isn't the problem. The problem is you. Take your goddamn finger, point it at yourself, and say, I am the problem.
Oh, fuck off, Kevin.
Together, man. Bye.
Joyner Lucas, real powerful artist. What is it about him that you like?
He was saying a lot of lines that I saw some of me in that.
That's Eminem.
But at the same time, it was different because it was like he's not compromising bars to tell his story.
Yep.
He's still got complexity in there. Like he's taking you on his journey. And I never snapped out of that journey till it was over. And I was like, yo, this kid is fucking incredible.
Yep. Ooh, holy shit! Hey, 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 hey! Brr.
When I was a kid, I thought I was worthy of feeling some love, but love ain't deserve me. I wish I knew then that love and that hurt me. I'd sever that bridge before it can burn me. My mama was hard, my daddy concerned me, was beating my ass and showed me no mercy. He thought he was Joe, them whippers were dirty. He tried to make music, the shit wasn't working. He taught me to rap was purpose early. I wanted to dad, but he never heard me. Traded his son for power attorney. I traded his love for diamonds and birch. I'm not who you knew, don't act like you know me. A lot of shit changed. I'm not like the owe me the money.
I'm kind of sorry for muting this, like pausing this, but yeah, this is what I want to show. So if you see here, I have the proper QA text files. However, it still does this. So that's a problem. I don't know why it's still doing this. And pre-script files found. However, I did put this in pre-script. So what's the problem?
Control me, but I went through things I wish you told me. I still need to change for niggas who owe me. I won't take the blame for calling you broski. That's really your name. You used to be Brody, but now you a lame. You niggas can blow me a whole lot of money, a whole lot of fakes. Redoubt in your body, I know how to trace. I don't really stunt cause I know how to shake. If I wanna stun, I just pull out a safe. Whole lot of cake and I know how to.
So this is the wait.
Bury you niggas and pull out the rake. You showing your cards, but you still not an ace. Some niggas tell me I remind them I am. That MMLP album had me on 10. The shit I was going through made me a stand. A lot of that pain I've been still holding in. Niggas
Holy.
hate them, the same ones who hate me, the smile on my face and me shaking my hand. Crazy
Yeah. Bro. Yes. Oh shit. Both Joyner and Eminem is so fucking fire, and they both have so much respect for each other. It's fucking great.
Taking a chance, I'm shaking the dice. She used to be hoe, you made her your wife. No matter if I lose, I came here to fight. I feel like two wrongs gon' make me a right. Talking my shit, ain't saying it nice. I say these drugs, I'm raising the price. Your energy's trash, you said it is life. My angels are black and Satan is white. I sprinkle some glass and made you some rice. My chopper gon' blast some
QA pre-script, so I have that properly.
Trolling the comments, you looking to spam. You really a fan, go take you a hike. Climb up the mountain and jump off the top. Your body gon' pop, no saving your life. Looking at me, I see hate in your eyes. It's obvious you wanna fake it inside. Your whole life is made up. I ain't too surprised. The industry phony and made up with lies. They're keeping me out, but I'm breaking the side. I'm snatching the crown and I'm taking what's mine. These industry bitches won't rate me with pride. I put them together and made a collage. Niggas tell me
You made a collage.
the MMLP album had me on 10. The shit I was going through made me a stand. A lot of that pain I've been still holding in. Niggas who hate them, the same ones who hate me. They smile on my face and be shaking my hand. It's crazy that even back then I always knew that one day I relate to the way that I am. That's the way that I am.
So I do have the QA pre-script and the QA text files. So I just need to text paste this. Text paste.
I might go to jail tonight, might lose it all, I swear. They want me dead, I got money on my head. I pray to God every night, hope he answer all my prayers. If it ever go down, niggas better know I'm prepared to cause a riot.
Hey.
Hope you know that I ain't scared to cause a riot. I got the hitters all in here to cause a riot. I know I'll probably be in a cell tonight, but fuck it, I'm making it count. I've been a judge revoking my bail tonight, but fuck it, I'm taking you out. I know I should've just stayed in the house, cause I'ma get mad again. I roll up on every hoe that be running their mouth like nigga was hiding in. If I get rich, I'll be dead or in prison. Straight out the mud, I came out the trenches. I needed a millions, I had me a vision. They wanna be like you.
Back test build of log.
And my worst fears going back to beginners. I swear I ain't felt that in a minute. It won't. My niggas is scavengers.
Ansi filter. Bad. Language law. Hey. 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 Gang, I can't even see what you typed, cause yeah, shit ain't showing on, like, Bangla doesn't render properly on my terminal, so let me just use, wait. Let me just open up YouTube. Bitch, what the fuck do you mean by that? Bitch, what the fuck do you mean by that? Oh, fuck off. So I should do a paste for the build.log 2. Okay. That works. Got called anemic due to my skin. Why did they call you anemic? Like, just for your skin? Anyways, I should ask this on devlog. I'm pale maxing right now. I was trying to work ebuilds. Yo, DV Gaming 1698. What's good, man? What's good? So, I'm currently listening to Jordan Lucas's ADHD 2 and trying to fix an ebuild of mine. Trying to package Proton G, the binary version for Gentoo, like, not actually for the main repos, however, I'm just gonna use it for my own. Protoner, non-mainstream builds. Okay, good, what about you? I'm not that bad. My monitor adapter got burned, like it fucking melted last stream. So yeah. I was able to get a new one and everything is good in the end. However, that did cause a bit of panic. So yeah. It's FKF. Proton non-mainstream build lucky. No. It's not the non-mainstream build of Proton. I'm actually trying to package the binary for Proton, which Proton actually, like, it's in the glorious egg roll repo for Proton, like the GitHub. So it's trying to use it from the releases. Like it's just getting the bin. If you see the src URI is just getting the tar.gz file, and yeah. However, since it's Gentoo and I'm doing a lot of weird shenanigans and not compiling it from source and also using the bundle dependency, I'm not gonna put it on the main repos. I'm not gonna try to put it on the main repos. I'm not even gonna do a PR for this. However, I am gonna use it from my testing repo, and I need to fix some of this. As you can, and I was trying to get the help from IRC. As you can see, let me just yep.
I'm tired of this working shit. These jobs ain't it. Need something that can pay me. Can't get a break. Need money in the bank. Tell me what it's gonna
Still
take. I hate the way it feel when the rank get real and your landlord tripping on the 18.
upset.
When the rain gon' come out looking for the sun like KD. And the crib too hot.
It's the QA text rails and QA pre-script. However, in the build.log, it still complains. I meant in the installing phase. Bruh, what's a T-Pain? Yeah, I don't like T-Pain that much. Yeah, I should not be streaming this. I don't know if they'll get mad if they'll see that I'm streaming this while also asking for help. However, I'm kind of lazy, so I don't wanna put on different scenes and yeah. Wait, selling crack to your ex's mom? Hold up, joiner. Hold up. Like, bro, pause. Like, bro, what the fuck do you mean by selling crack to your ex's mom? Holy shit, that's kind of eh. Hey. How the fuck did that release so soon? Wait, let me check my emails for 2 minutes. Oh, it was just the YouTube pinging my ass because I'm streaming right now. Anyways.
ounce of my being that there's a part of you that you haven't tapped into yet. And we're waiting. We know the dark side. We've seen it. You've lived it.
Anyways, I think I can just merge it. I mean, I can just merge it. I know I can merge it. However, I want to fix the problems.
For the sake of my ears from falling off my face, please switch it up for me. Come on now, Jay. I need that switch. I need that switch, Jay. Come on, please. So you've told your story, but what else you got to give?
Should I use the
ADHD? You know what your ADHD is? All day he dreams. What are your dreams, Jordan? Give us your dreams.
Interesting. What if I delete? I put a slash before this. Will it? Will it work? Will it work? Will it work? Will it work? Hey.
I've been breaking the night, can't sleep, rain tapping all on my windows, but them sounds make peace. Why do I love this white noise from my fucking AC? It'll distract me from the void and these things I can't see. Love, brain going on overdrive, and I might be going nuts. They don't understand my mind, but I don't think no one does. Feeling like my ankles tied, my legs is going numb. I've been down a million times, but I won't be slow enough. And now I'm diving rid of it deep, and what am I thinking? What is the reason? Laying in bed, I'm closing my eyes, I'm staying awake and stare at the ceiling.
I could also just use a find command and set up the QA text rails that way. Hey.
Breaking the night, can't sleep, rain tapping all on my windows, but them sounds make peace. Why do I love this white noise from my fucking AC? It'll distract me from the void and these things I can't see. Yeah, some nights when I'm by myself, I start to daydream, try to think of something else, hoping that could save me. Wanna get some therapy, maybe that'll change me. If you ever felt like me, maybe I ain't crazy. And I'm wanna try to walk this clip, but I just get so distracted. Can't get in my vibe, but at nights like this, I get in my head and I see some shit you probably won't imagine. My ADHD popping out. If I crank the system up, I hope the beat get louder now. My thoughts too loud, hope the speakers drown it out. Brain going 1,000 miles a minute.
My choice. My voice. Hey, hey. It's my choice. My voice. Oh, yeah. My voice. Let's run the install phase again. It should go through butterfly. Ba, 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 ba. I kind of like this. Kind of like the start of this.
If I could travel back into time, probably go sit in my spaceship. Colorful lights on the inside to brighten my frowning faces. Got the radio loud when it's sitting dry, 'cause I ain't trying to hear frustrations. Floating on clouds in the sky, with an imagination. I crank the engine up and take a trip and see stars. Sit on top of the moon, build a mansion on Mars. Remember when I was a young and wasn't stressing at all. Someone there to catch me every time that I fall. Someone there with me in my every beck and call. Way before you make me wanna cry, so I would trade it all. I go back in time, I'll fly to another dimension, make this right. Use a blanket as a door. Cardboard boxes drawing pictures on the board. At the times I felt rich even though we was really poor. Imaginary friends, niggas thought that I was nuts, but I was only 10 and everyone was out of touch. Dream about the Benz every time I caught the bus. I used to watch the other kids and now them kids are watching us. But sometimes I feel like a butterfly with broken wings. Cause even if it's still flying, they don't float the same. I often think about the past way before the fame, and how I used to cope with pain and why a nigga overcame.
Like, man, 5 Eagles, okay? QA, free, and this time, na 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 na. From Evil Side. Negro, as always, like, oh god, like seriously, bro has helped me so fucking much through my journey. Like, holy shit, I owe a lot to him. Bro's a fucking legend. Bro is seriously a fucking legend. Neat little trick. Look at the other QA pre-strips in Gentoo and find all the differences. Find the differences. Yep. Like, I should have done that. I actually should have done that. However, I didn't. Like, I didn't do it in the stream, and I didn't do it the day before. So, yeah, I should have done that. Bro is a fucking legend. Anyways. Don't wanna be bothered. I know, but I gave you that as misleading aspect to be specific if possible. Let me go to Gentoo, or just go to yep. Holy shit, this is kinda fire. User bin. QA pre-script is using a dare. And not it's not using an array for any of them, and just using a bin.
depressed, sometimes I'm crying and that's just weird. Sometimes feeling alive, sometimes I'm thinking I'm happy here. Fuck it, I wrote this place, somebody can read it.
Hey.
Cause when I feel like I'm losing, all my problems disappear. Who am I? Who am I? Can't no one tell me nothing. Who am I? Who am I? Look at them, got me buzzing just in time. Just in time. Ain't nobody what am I scared of? Really, it's nothing. Maybe I'm bugging. Maybe I need to pray. Cause I'm in sleep days. Gotta get out and receive a praise. Or maybe I need to stay. Remember the truth is I ain't no reflection. Cause all I can
Wait.
see is shame. Cause somebody
Am I supposed to just use a string? Am I supposed to use a string? If I use a string, I can't use the. Okay, wait, hold on. Assigning an array to a string. Assign as array or use that instead of to concatenate. I should just yep, it's about words, so yep, I should use this. So as our name, and this is pre-stripped. Oh wait, I can't do this. So I should do SO name in here and use QA pre. QA SO name, and I'm gonna be doing this. Okay. Yep. So if this is supposed to be a string,
then it might work. But if not, you might end up on a white shirt. Niggas tripping on lean, I ain't taking no sips. Fucking vacation, I ain't taking no trips. Shit was getting real, I was making no flips. Me and myself, I ain't came with no clips. Back outside when the water runs dry, you niggas get free, I ain't making no fish. 2025, I'm breaking your dish, taking your bitch. We got smoke, you and your gang versus G.I. Joe. Crazy ass niggas let the meat eyes know. Got a Glock named Ricky, let a Vita low. Blessed by the Lord and we got close.
am I supposed to use can I use, let me see if I any QA pre-strip use this. Ooh, wait, so that isn't the problem. Interesting. So what's the actual problem? Free strict file found. What? This is stupid. I don't know what was the problem. I seriously don't know what's the problem. So it's not an array.
Hey, hold on 1 second. I got a phone call. Hello?
Hey, I take it since I haven't seen anything on the news lately, you haven't used that gun I gave you. Don't tell me you're getting cold feet, Joiner. Don't tell me all these years in therapy resulted in nothing. I thought you were a man now, Joiner.
I am a man.
No, you're not. I mean, I thought you were. But now you're proving me wrong. You know something? I'm getting the feeling you want to make me upset, Joiner.
QA free strict. So what's the damn problem?
Don't you?
Nah, I don't.
Yes, you do. Just say it. You think I'm some type of fucking game that you can play with? I'm your therapist. When I tell you to do something, you do it. It's been a few weeks, and you haven't killed anything yet. I'm giving you a few days, and if I don't turn on the news and see some blood, then maybe I have to show you how it's done. And maybe I'll start with your parents. Goodbye, Joiner.
So QA pre-rolls, QA pre-strips.
Look what you niggas have started to say what I wanted, but you had a forces, ayy. You know this shit go retarded, I might just go hit up your block on a short bus, ayy. I took the dinner with Jigga instead of the money, I needed a shortcut, ayy. Give me advice how to quit at McDonald's so I can get into the Forbes.
Bro, this is smooth music.
Just fill me with poison, book me another appointment, all I keep hearing was noises, ain't nothing worse than going through shit as a kid and you feel like your voices, yeah. I swear that shit is annoying, you ain't gonna leave me no choices, ain't no one knocking this boy at the pedestal. I do you dirty if I get the best of you, bitch. I'm a virus, that shit is infectable. I heard your album, that shit was forgettable. Ain't no big three if we being respectable. Too many legends to leave out the spectacle. Fuck it, top 5 when that shit is objectable. I'm about to stick up this bitch like the renters do. That's what that pressure do. Nobody better move, that's not acceptable. I'm not accessible. I read the room when it's not even legible. I'm on a roll if I'm gon' play a role. Just know I Heath Ledger you, yeah. And I'm sorry, not sorry, but knowing that y'all cannot fuck with me, she'll be respectable. Trust to the hate, I'm susceptible. Came after him and I'm stacking these Zips, yeah, I'm stacking them like they collectibles. Wait, hello? If you answer the phone for that nigga that said what he said, ho, just know that I'm dead to you. I'm taking chances, it's federal. I know he thinking he got away, trust is gonna hit him later like an edible. Don't worry about what I'm doing, just know that I'm doing that rich nigga, real nigga shit that you never do. I'm through so much I can still feel the residue. Hop on the beat, treat that bitch like confessional.
Brace expansions, poetry, or even an array.
How can they even be crazy to think they can ever compete with me? Me and Big Sean run this bitch till I need a week. Distance got time and I'm right where I need to be. But on my evil seat, I keep a Uzi to shoot through your beam of G. Turn you to Swiss, but your bitch ain't Alicia Keys. I fuck your chick if that hoe is a freak elite. You know this shit get active. Turn me to a psycho now. I'm hearing them screams, I like those sounds. I've been an underdog, I don't like your crown. And niggas treat me like my life don't count. I hate weird niggas, I don't like those crowds. But don't judge me, I don't like Joe Brown. Turn your life around, I keep to myself with a knife around. On Halloween night when the lights go wild, I'm feeling like I'm living in Michael's house. 12-inch blade and I might go proud. Hitting these streets, got a pipe post down. A long dick nigga and it's quite profound. She wanna get hit like a fight broke out. I'm activated like Jerry Curl, all in that head like I'm going off that Henny girl. I'm way too picky to cuddle with every girl. I need a wifey, but she can't be any girl. No, I don't argue with bitches who petty and pissing me off like you live world. Ain't nothing funny, do I look like SNL? This shit get really real. You know the block is watching, I been hustling all week. Now the cops is knocking, I get lit in the street, but the ops is jogging, nigga. I'm not a beast, I'ma lock this monster. Who the fuck got the keys to unlock this monster? I'ma turn all your dreads into roster pasta, make a fuck nigga red like a pot of lobster. Where I'm from, even kids got the block of shit get
Active egg, active egg.
I'm outside when the shit get active.
Holy shit, that was kind of good. Holy shit, this. Hey. Hey. Bruh, no way. I read Fireboy DML as Femboy DML. I was like, huh? Hey. Hey. We strip fast found. That's a pain in the ass. Okay, that's a G streamer. So
for me. Give me that one time, girl. You so fine, but please don't waste my time and energy. So please don't chat to me. Please don't chat to me.
Se me acostumbró la pupila. Me pueden ver rompiendo New York. La prensa piensa que vuelve a Godzilla. Mi espalda safety de la vigila. Dile a los haters que hagan una fila. Me hice experto en la fashion week. Y ahora quiero ver cómo desfilan. Rara la vez que yo falle. Yo nunca fallo. Y ando con rayos. Esto sale natural, no lo ensayo. Yo soy lo más cabrón que nació en mayo. Siempre que salgo me quedo con todo. El parecer es solo se insulta. Pero me importa demasiado poco. Porque en verdad eso no es mi culpa. Ya, quieren que me quede. Pero dime tú qué es lo que va a pasar si yo me quedo.
Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. Sprit's fire. Huh. So that's a problem. I should use an array. I should use an array for this.
So my bitch, if she loyal, we locked it forever. No hoe gonna fucking replace you. She know I'ma just hold this shit down like I hold down the street. Bitch, I'm a dog, but I don't got no leash. Deep in that hoe, it's a whole lot of reach. You get high from this dick, it ain't know how to seek. I bring the drama, don't know about no peace. Think I need God, but I don't got no priest. Open the legs and I know how to feast. And I eat that bitch out like a bone appetit. Please don't chat to me, please don't chat to me. If you know God and you are no stronger, we no bitches, then talk to me respectfully. Shawty come dance for me, shawty come dance for me. Give me that one time, girl, you so fine, but please don't waste my time and energy. So please don't chat to me, please don't chat to me. If you know God and you are no stronger, we no bitches, then talk to me respectfully. Shawty come dance for me, shawty come dance for me.
Interesting. Sourcing eagles. Oh, I'm stupid.
I'm standing outside in the rain, passing out demo tapes, trying to get a name. I was like 11 back then with the braids. It was 1999, I was trying to catch a wave. I heard Jay-Z was in town, about to hit the Summer Jam stage, and I gotta see his face. If I give him my demo, then I wonder what he'll say. Maybe he'll sign me and I'll finally get a break. So now he on stage, and everybody's singing all the words to his shit, and I'm amazed. I'm holding up my demo with a sign saying, please, I just need a couple minutes of your time, Mr. J, could you? But that ain't gonna work. Fuck it though, I know there's gotta be another way. Snuck past security and made it backstage. Demo in my hand, hoping he gon' press play when he see me. But when the show is all over, I was trying to walk fast. Catch him when he leaves, hoping we can cross paths. But he ain't seen me and I was feeling all bad. Then the security approached me, he was wearing all black. I passed him my CD with my house number on it, saying if you listen to it, could you please call back, please? Please listen to my demo. 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 Listen to my demo. Please listen to my demo. Please listen to my demo.
Holy shit, that's not deep.
It's 2001, I'm 13 now, but I'm better than I was. Rapping in my class when I should be doing work, but I'm thinking about this beat I was hearing on the bus. I heard Dre and Snoop Dogg was in town. Up at Smoke Tour, Eminem coming out. You should have seen the way my eyes popped out. You'd have thought the heavens opened up and God popped out. I wish that I could vibe with him. If I give him a demo, maybe I could ride with him. Maybe Emma listen if I get some time with him. Maybe Dre's looking for a kid that can sign with him. I don't know. All I know is that I gotta go. Hopefully it all pans out. Trying to get tickets so I get the plan down. If I get front row, then I probably stand out. Then my pops came home with 2 VIP passes and clutch. And at that very moment I was happy as fuck. So I started getting dressed all fast in a rush. Demo in my hand had a rich man glow. He walked in my room and said kids can't go. And so he brought his girl with him, man. I can't believe I let another big chance go. Damn. Please listen to my demo. Please listen to my demo. Please listen to my demo.
Hey,
please
listen to my demo. Please listen to my demo. Hey.
Can you listen to my demo?
Holy shit, this is kind of good. This is really good.
A lot of years went by. I'm 25 now when the tears went dry. 2015 and I still got a dream, but reality is looking kind of real this time. I'm in the booth with the grunge on my face, trying to make a demo with no funds in the bank. I don't want to quit before I make it out the bricks, and my girl told me that we got a son on the way. What the fuck? Yeah. I gotta push the go button, I ain't got a bit of time, cause it ain't about me no more. I gotta just provide. If I don't make it when he born, then I gotta get a job. I hit the ground running with a plan, make a mixtape and build something with the fans. If I don't do it now, then I never get a chance. Got a certain way of thinking someone never understand. So now I'm sitting on the block, vibing out, bumping instrumentals in a drop, writing every day like my pen don't wanna stop, and my baby mom packaging my demos in a box. I was pulling up the schools in a rental, CD in my hand, put my arm out the window. Nobody took it and I didn't get the memo, and all I kept saying was please listen to my demo. 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 Listen to my demo. Please listen to my demo. Please listen to my demo. Please. It's 2025 and some change. I think I finally made it to a household name. Moved my whole family out the hood with a change. Told my mama quit a job, she won't work another day. I got platinum plaques now, couple hit singles and I'm back to back now. Couple big cribs I might have to pass down. When I put my demos out, I don't have to ask now if you can listen. I'm saying what I want. All your favorite rappers keep saying I'm the one. And if I died now, then I'm grateful what I've done, cause a lot of niggas never really made it where I'm from. I'm on tour and they waiting in the front, camping outside while they baking in the sun. Pull up in your city and they waving to the bus. Got my songs on the speaker and they singing every one. And so I hit the stage. It's the same book, just a different page. Crowd going crazy, but I noticed one kid staring at me with a glow like he was in the daze. I'm looking at him in the crowd, I can see his face, and he looking back at me, and I wonder what he thinking. It remind me of how I used to look at Jay, when all I wanted was someone to get my shit a play. And when the show was all over, they was trying to get me back in the cut. Security was walking all faster than us, trying to get me out the building, get me back to the bus. Standing by the bus was a kid that I seen from the crowd, nigga, how coincidental. Handed me a CD with his number on the pillow. Looked at me and said, please listen to my demo.
Damn, that was inspiring though. That was extremely good. Holy shit. Now this is why.
Are you proud of me? Did I grow up to be everything you thought I'd be? And hey mama, I know it was hard, but you gave me more than I could ever repay you for. I love you, mama. When I was young, me and my mama had smoke. Young and misunderstood, them times I hated the most. Hard to put on a smile when my generation was broke and the baby's raising a child. A Section 8 the result. Slaving, working all day for that minimum wage in the small. Daddy ain't had no money, no occupation at all. ADHD all in me, I'm bouncing off of the walls. My mama ain't had no patience and my frustration evolved. Acting up in the class, my teachers think I'm psychotic. I just wanted attention for times that I never got it. Adding to all the stress and I learned some lessons about it. But I just needed affection cause I was reckless without it. Thankful for what you gave to me even if you ain't got it. Sacrifices you made for me, I knew nothing about it. Told you one day I'll make it and then I made you a promise. If I made you anything, then I hope I made you the proudest. For real.
Hey mama, oh mama, are you proud of me? Did I grow up to be everything you thought I'd be?
Bro, I'm just stupid. I'm just too much stupid. Okay, some of them use a. Some of them are using a regex. You know what? I can just use that though.
Sitting in my bedroom plotting how to get us rich. And I was only 9, them cockroaches was a bitch. Shit, we gon' be fine. Step pops is making flips. Working full time, he taught me how to raise some kids. Even if they wasn't mine. Living with my sisters and we stuck together. So the times I felt alone, they helped make my depression better. Some days my mama almost broke down, but I couldn't let her. The older that I got, the more I understood her better. And she the realest one around, I got a real homie. Mama always held me down when Papa done bailed on me. We ain't always see eye to eye, but she'll kill for me. Send a nigga to the sky and then go to jail for me. Love what you gave to me even when you ain't got it. Sacrifices you made for me, I knew nothing about it. Told you one day I'll make it and then I made you a promise. If I made you anything, then I hope I made you the proudest. For real.
Hey mama, are you proud of me? Did I grow up to be everything you thought I'd be? And hey mama,
No.
but you gave me more than I could ever repay you for. I love you, mama. I love you, mama.
If I see that bitch again, I'll. Bruh, no fucking way. What the fuck am I getting? Bruh, no. Why the fuck am I getting these stuff? Oh, okay, hold up. Okay, so this is the Q&As. So this is the x86. This is for x86. Okay, so everything is from the x86. Ah, not that bad. Not that bad. So I kind of fixed it. Kind of fixed that. So I need to do something like interesting. Can I do a can I do PHP script this and then I do this? Can I do this? Don't think I can do this, however, let me check. If I can do this, then that would be a problem. RS install, so it's have cd, then do this. If I can do this, then that would be fire. Wait, so I did finish the new album. Damn, that was kind of good. Yep. That was really, really good. I didn't expect that. I did not expect that. That was extremely good. I can't do this for some reason. So, if I can't do this, huh? But, so what regex does it use? Does it support? I wonder if it supports stuff like i388. Okay, hold up. Can I do this? Linux.gnu, and then is this wait, hold up. What projects are they talking about? Are they talking about POSIX, normal POSIX projects? Are they talking about POSIX extended? What are they talking about? Does POSIX regex have capture root? Let me just put that. I don't know why I did that. It should be 4YA. And look, this should be this. I don't know if it's gonna work. However, if it's worked, then it's a bang. Let's hope this works. Let's hope this fucking works. If it doesn't support capture groups, then I'm fucked. Then I'm absolutely fucked. So let's hope it supports capture groups. Please, for the love of God, it does not support capture groups. Wait, does it support capture groups? Oh, hold up. No, it does not support capture groups. Bash regex capture groups. So I'm not gonna use that. I'm specifically talking about bash regex. What type of regex does it use? Secondary value, you need to have a set of parentheses in the regex. Can it do all? Or am I fucking stupid? Or is it not possible? Like, I know I can probably do, I'm trying to, however. Interesting. So, so bash. So this should work. So what's the damn problem? This should work. So what's the damn problem? Does it not support this? So it should be positive. POSIX extended. So what's the damn problem? You know what? Let me just do, because I'm fucking lazy. Exit. Let me just do this. Let me just do this. Okay? Because I'm bored and I'm lazy and I don't want to work on this. Like, this is just confusing. I can probably just put all libraries. However, the DLL files are not gonna be a problem, so what? So let's see. So that works. Now if QA, wait, hold up. Unresolved SO name dependencies. I'm gonna fix that a bit later. Windows. That should work. So text rows. So I just need to use a regex. I needed to use a proper regex and arrange. Right, perfect. So this line works. Now, what about is QA text row gonna be the same? If it's gonna be the same, I swear to God, I'm gonna crash out. Lib AV. If it's gonna be the same, I'm gonna fucking crash out. Let's see. Race was a major issue. However, arrays were, well, that's confusing because the man page doesn't specify data types. It just says lists and docs and UAS on name, and I think docs work for, and patches and stuff can work with arrays. So yeah. So yeah, that's confusing. That's confusing. Another question is, what about I mean, the pre-stripped files isn't gonna be a problem no more, so that's fine. However, what about QA text rows? Okay, wait. Should be. Oh, I don't need to ask that because I can just test that now. So arrays might be the problem. So now let's. It do like array expansion, and you can't do that with strings, like libabc codec and stuff like that. You can't do that with strings. So yeah, knowing what the problem is a really good. Well, fucking guess what? It works with strings. What a fucking god damn. So I need to put the GStreamer files, the i386 files, a lot of GStreamer files, and okay. You know what? I'm just gonna do the same thing for unresolved SNN dependencies. Let a curl. I suggest use pre-builds for everything. However, I'm not gonna do that. I'm do it properly. I mean, I can't just put everything in there. For okay, QA text rails. So, guess what? That was the problem. Fucking hell. Lib av util so, then that, then this, then that. Interesting. So I can't probably do this for array expansion will work. String expansion. Can I? Wait, hold up. I think I might be cooking. QA text rows. Then I can just hold up. So can I do this? So I specify this, and then I reassign, because it doesn't matter if it's. I can just reassign the data type by doing QA text rows. That. Yep, I'm reassigning this. Dirty little had to get that niceties from array expansion, but QA text rows not being able to work with arrays. Dirty little hat. So can I use this? I wonder if I can use this. I assume this is not gonna be that much of a problem. Yeah, let me just check it out. Let me remove that, and let's see. So it runs the install phase. It runs all the configure phase and blah blah blah. Now, will it work? Should we notice? Yep, does not work. So that does not work. That's fucking pathetic. That's irritating. That's hella irritating. Why won't you work? Why won't you work? That does not work. So can I use the text row? Yeah, can I just use this? Text rows as array. I'm gonna have to get the niceties from an array expansion, but can I do this? RMRF, then install. Let me run the install phase again. Let's see this time if it's gonna work. It's not gonna work, then it's actually gonna be a huge problem, and I don't want that. So please, for the love of God, fucking work. Yep, it works. So yep, I like array expansions. QA please script as array. QA please script is equal to QA please script as array. Yep. Dirty little frick. Dirty little trick to get the niceties from an array expansion with fewer text rows. But QA please script not being able to work with arrays. Yep. So that should work. That should also work. And let's see if I can use the SO. Only the SO. So it's just the, let's see. So after it does this, the problem is with, yep, the SO0 unresolved SON dependencies. So SO0 to SO0 curl glib. So is the problem with the first files or the second files? Let's see. Image 4.2 files. Lib. Let's start with i386 GStreamer. And lib will start with CF. I'm just gonna, okay. So interesting. It has all the SO that ends with this stuff. So I can just put this. Right? Can I just put this in here? I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can. Really. So, oh, wait. Interesting. That's your name dependencies. GStreamer is with glib and go object. Where lib glib dot two dot zero dot so. Is it gonna be where is? Yep, libglib. Dot so dot zero. Does it? Okay. Interesting. Interesting. So it has lib64. Does it actually exist in lib64 or user bin lib64? I think it should user lib64. Okay. Lib glib the two. Oh, interesting. So this stuff does work. That's interesting. Interesting. Huh. So as on dependencies. So you, my dear friend, need the glib, the GIO, audio, libils, blah blah, the crypto. I mean, if it breaks, then it's. I mean, it should run in a container, right? So if it breaks, then it's kind of a fault for libflb or for Fever. It's Opus, Playback, Raw Power, School Media, Fiora, Timecode, Transcode.so. I'm just gonna put this in the same. So I have the SO name dependencies, SO name deps. That should be the def manual variables QA SO name. If that's no sibling. That's true for the it's a name sibling in the directory. Bro. What's the package config? What's the wait? What's the you maintain files? What's the there's a file paths relative to the image directory of the previous binaries. Files listed with blah blah blah. DT needed. Unlike the needed and the stack rather not. So I have the QA notice SO name dependencies. What's the for SO name? SO name no similar. SO name no similar. SO name DT QA pre-built with multiple parts desktop file. So QA SO name no similar. And I just do this. QA SO name no some lengths equal to uh Let me take the variables again. And pre-script text rows, and that's before. Okay, that should be text row. It should be pre-script. So is it after pre-script? S1 name should be after that. So it's pre-script. When S1 name, when S1 name no semblance, which I just use this. That should be this, and where's your name, and this. Can I do this? I think I should be able to do this. Where's your name? Okay, it's not semblance. It's this semblance. Yep, it's this. So is it an array or a? I don't know if it's an array. List of 5 parts. It's not an array. I don't know if it's an array. I don't know if it's not an array. All I do know is that I need to do a lot of testing for this. Export as RMRF. Oh, god damn it, RMRF. That works. Good. Then you do the install function. Am I going to get a queue notice, or is it gonna work? Or do I need some kind of bullshit? Yep. Let's see. Lib. Oh, lib1, lib x86, some blah blah blah. Some x86 bullshit. What's the stuff for SNAME dependencies? What's the stuff for lib? Is it for QA text rows? What's that for? QA. No, this. What's this stuff about? Is there? What's the? What's it called? What's the QA flag for? Not regular and well. I should hold up. Let me hold up. So if it's not gonna work like that, it's not gonna work like that. Can I? Wait. Where's your name? Can I do it like? Is it a Redux type thing? Where's your name? Same names, regular expansions. Okay. So if it's regular expressions, I don't know what I'm even saying. If it's regular expressions, then lab. Let's just do this between two diamonds. Surrounding in progress. So, let me just leave that to run that bad boy again. Let's see if it's gonna work. Let's see if it's gonna work. Because if it doesn't work, then that's gonna be boring. Yeah. I should bookmark and also analytics. I'm still streaming, right? Yeah, I'm still streaming. So, me, the K-pop fan community, I don't want to leave the K-pop fan community. Analytics. Encoding overload? Why the fuck is encoding overload? Bro, different viewers. No way. No way it didn't climb. Holy shit. I got streamed for like 3 hours or something. Like, anyways. That's unfortunately not working. That's a shame. Because then I'm cut. OPT files the constants that. So let's not the SO name symlinks. It's not the no symlink, so it's not that. It's turning out to be a goddamn disaster. So text rails, I can safely delete this. You know what? You know what? You know what? I'm just gonna queue a pre-script. I don't need to use that. Slot. I don't need to use this. So I should be okay. Slot 0 is slot 0 I can just use it for now. Use this for now. And like if I need older versions, I can just use Proton RS. I will need to fix that package. And I need to do a ENV. God damn, I need to take a fucking piss. I need to do a ENV. I need to take a fucking piss too. Bro, let me just go to OBS and go to my pissing. Back. No, I'll be back in 2 minutes. Huh. I know I should get some food too. However, that's like 3:19. I think I'll get food around 3:30. I don't know. I'll just close that. Join B. So when I did an env, Z. So it was something along the lines of, I think it was for Stripe CLI. Yeah. Stripe CLI. So it should have been files. Manifest. Stripe CLI. Let's just go to the latest one and do env. Do env. Just that. Is it doing env or do envd? So there's manual variables. Do env. It's okay. It's not variables. It's functions. Function references. Utilizing functions. Function reference. Install functions. Install functions. Do env. Do env. Okay, so that's just only one. Envd. So etc.envd file. I wonder if that's it. I can just create a protein path is equal to that. So hold up. Can I create a file that's, you know what, just let me just, so go and then should create a file called, wait, okay, no, it's not there. So then should create a file called, wait, hold up. Well, okay. What was it? Stripe CLI? Stripe CLI. So it's envd, it's files there, 99 package them. So I can just use a package or something. Okay, got it. So I'm just gonna create a package called, okay, so proton pod, or hold up, files 99 stripe 0. Okay, so it's not exporting anything. Should it be exporting something? Proton path is equal to opt/p. It should be p. should be set proton right proton path forward. But this should work. Or printf present as line. I can do this. I think I can do this. Or can I just do this? Oh, you know what? Let me just ignore this. I can just do the echo though. Can I? Echo. Yep, I think I can. So echo this. Set proton path to that. And envd. Okay, do envd. Envd. Okay, but set proton path for this. So will it run install? Will it run install? We will see. So the ebuilds install. And while it does that, I think I should get some food. So, will it work? Should files not that. Let's see and read the proton path for protons. Read this. Okay. And if I just go to cd, let's see env. Yep. CC stuff like that. Yep. Now let me just merge this. This install phase should be okay. So, I don't know why I still have that. And here's echo photon pack. etc env.p. Deselect env. Echo photon path. Interesting. etc env.p. So current target version. I should have just used 99 proton path or something. I can do a Let me log in as sudo echo okay, wait. Hold up. The path echo lang. So I have GCC man path. Can I do echo proton? So proton path does not work. Let's do it here. So why won't that work? Proton path. I'm setting proton path. B directory beforehand. So this should work. I hope. Yeah, this should work. Now. Okay, wait. Several of them. Alphabetical order. 2 decimal digits. Okay, now it should work. Now will it work? I hope it does. It's not as a mindset you already is. Take a fucking show all the time. Oh, I didn't do merge. Fucking hell. So merge the goddamn. Boom, 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 boom. Money's a mindset you already reached. God damn it. Just work. It's so fucking slow. Oh god. Takes a long ass time to properly do everything. It takes a long ass time. Um, okay, it should work. Now let's see. Go proton path. Yo, let's go. It works. Nice. Echo proton path. Okay, that's okay. So I can just do that. Delete. Delete. Ba, ba, ba. Okay. So I could make an array, and if not proton path, then try these. If it doesn't work, then do this. Blah blah blah, and a lot of other bullshit. However, I'm just gonna quit for this. Lazy git. I think I can package this, right? Yeah, I'm gonna package this. Manifest. Yeah, I know I don't have like metadata.xml and stuff like that. However, yeah, I can just package this. Also, I should do license. I should fix the license. No. Proton G license. Let me check if it's MIT or GPL. Huh? Terms and conditions? What? Also, protong.com. I don't think this site is from Gloria Segro, right? So cannot validate site. Huh. Interesting. So this ProtonG, yep, ProtonG.com. uBlock filters battery risks. ProtonG.com. How is this site still active? Proceed. How is this stuff still active? Because this shouldn't be active, right? Or am I tripping? Or am I tripping? So we're coding the custom releases, regular updates. It's like interesting. Download. Session craft, proton builds. This looks extremely shady. Contact us and privacy policy. Cloud Corex. Are these motherfuckers tripping? Please, with affiliates. The fuck do you mean by that? Interesting. Perfect. Photon GA32. Interesting. So this should not be. This is shady. This is shady. ProtonV.com. Let's see. Because this is shady. You should search this on Reddit. ProtonG.com. Yep. The dog page our businesses, blah blah. Admins. The holy shit, mosquitoes are fucking. Ugh. Fuck this. Money is a nonsense, we're already rich. Hold up, why the fuck did I get a bell at the dead of the night? Hold up. Okay, I'm back. It was my grandpa. Anyways, Proton G. It's license, and license of Proton. ARR Web Corporation. You know, it should be the same as Proton. Let's see. Gentoo packages, Proton. So license LG PL2 PL2 blah blah. Wait, hold up. So it's license the Proton. Distribution filing source code. I'm just gonna copy paste this because I'm bored as fuck. Bum, 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 hey, ba, 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 ba. Precious slave. I'm like, what the Bruce pay? Just base to the don't. Witcher 3 White Orchard 2014 lighting mode. What the fuck does it mean by that? Also, this is taking a long ass time too. Codeberg repository browser. Pokemons. That games stabilize. So card use blah blah license. Thank you. This should be the license. Yep. I'm just gonna copy paste that because I'm bored as fuck. Package if commit sign off edit. New package sign off by this. Yes. Git push. Fuck's sake, git push. Jesus. So Proton pod should be set. Now, what about Hollow Knight stuff? Let me go to my Silk Song. Use it, and then Silk Song, the song of the silk, silk of the song, song of the silk, and the silk of the song, song of the silk, silk of the song. So one prefix proton path if proton path does not go. I don't think I need a lot of these. You know what? I'm just gonna ignore them. And I've just set up the Proton-Z package. I've merged it, and now I've merged it in my system, not in the main repos. And now I'm fixing the Silksong script to use that specific Proton path, and not the Proton path that I configured before when I was using Lutris. So not the okay. So if Proton path isn't set, then dive with Proton path not set. Why the fuck do you need a vertical cursor indicator? So I need them because, for example, I wanna move to this chart. For example, I wanna move to C at line 15. I can just then hit 15, then J. So if I have a vertical indicator, I can align my cursor to do a lot of stuff. Or if I was trying to align my text and see if everything was properly aligned, I could just use this and see if stuff was properly aligned or not. So yeah, vertical. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Let's see if I can run Hollow Knight Silksong. Proton path not set. What the fuck does it mean by that? Oh, wait, hold up. Silksong. Now, doing Steam RT, I should do this, I should do this. Let me see if Silksong works. If Silksong works, then it's gonna be a banger. If Silksong doesn't work, then I'm cooked. Yeah, SHA-265, blah blah blah. Just do the proper fixes, damn it, and run the goddamn game. Bum, bum, entry is okay. Jesus, it gaps a lot. Huh, pressure vessel. It's a proton permission denied. That's concerning. So I need proper execs for every binary. That's gonna be a pain in the ass. So chmod, or should I do I should do chmod or something like that. Computer. I should read the do then. dev manual, install functions. There ops. Specify arguments pass to install executable. Install executables. Okay, exe ops, libops. Banned in eAPI 7. HTML and a lot of other shit. So, fucking hell. The test, the testing overlay, CD, app emulation, Proton VBin. Ends. And send to dock into new ends. Installing some files, our options. Do it banned in API 7. Install library, install share object files, install man pages. Hold up, can I Proton Proton UE? Can I use Proton UE for like a custom path? Like where does it actually install your stuff? Installation manual. Make file. It has Mason. Build from source. Okay, wait, it has a make file. Let's see the make file. Who deployed it? Does it have an install? Proton configure. Yo, hi again. So I'm trying to package Proton GE, the binary version, for a custom overlay of mine, and I realized I didn't do the proper configurations, the proper what's it called, permissions. So it's this: remove Proton's internal files, build the make end flags, install. Build. There, I should use this. To be honest, I should use this. Let's go to the first match. Build variable shells. Make them handle space well. Steam there. It doesn't need steam there. It doesn't need that. Does it have the make file though? It should not have the make file, right? I think if I go to cd opt Proton UE, it should not have the make file. And because it doesn't have the make file, I need to do the proper executable for this. Proton, the files, the binaries, but then well 64, the share. Do I need to use? Okay, not that. Proper executables. Local. See, this is a problem because it doesn't have the proper executables. Then I had to do a chmod for a lot of stuff. Line tricks. God damn it. I could also try to get the make file and use that. No. Reghost. Let me get the actual. Let me go to my CD test. Proton up. Proton do custom. Was it that? Gain of that. Proton up RS. Proton up RS test. Okay, this is the one. So I should get the ones that are executables. Yes. File. No, okay. FD type executable. Holy shit. That's a lot of executables. Oh, wait. Not that. Proton view custom. Proton up RS test. This one. Yes. Now find type. So the DLLs should be executables. The XE ones should be executables. Interesting. DLLs should be executables. Should do either to less. So no, that's files been allowed 64. The SO files should be executables. How can I you know what? I should just not do install dot tools dot r. Instead, I should just do cp. So not doing this because of proper perms problem, because it doesn't respect the permissions. I'm just gonna cp this. I should not be doing a lot of things that I'm currently doing. However, I don't have a choice. Although, if it did get created this way, it would be a problem. So then I'm also cooked. Is it possible to use do ends while it respects the permissions? Is it possible to do that? Oh, wait. Devmon E-class reference. Someone referenced this and basis. Bro, this is just the class reference. I did read the Section of QA control variables. Yes, I did read that. God damn it. Oh, get being take care. And I wish you a good night's sleep. Wait, pre-build here DT get pre-strip, that's our name. 700. Yes, I did read that. However, I didn't see a variable that with that exact problem, or maybe I did see it and I was lying. Use who has on any more sibling. Okay, so I did do that, and now I need to see if the proper perms. Now that's gonna be a problem. Well, can I make do ends respect? Another question. Also, another question. Is it possible to make do ends respect the permissions for files? What? Wait, can I do merge and unmerge? Let me just use CP and let's see if I can, if it properly works. So we're gonna be doing sudo ebuilds unmerge. We're gonna unmerge that. And if it doesn't exist, we're gonna we also probably need to respect the permissions for our files. Dev manual. Variables. Okay, not variables. Install functions. That's the window. That's that now. So I think there to do install directory that will be non-MC. And the package is merged for directory that will be empty. Please use keygeo instead. That's a damn problem, ain't it? C ends ops. I did check that. I did check that. However, if I use that, it's ops. Ends ops. These are all the stuff that needs executable permissions. That have executable permissions. So this is going to be a huge problem for me. And it's getting installed into ops. That's another problem. Why the fuck do I have this? Why the fuck do I have this? Why the fuck do I have this? Have this. Not X? Is it possible to... Okay, FD... exclude by X. Fine. So, debug ops, starting point, expression. So, expression. Expression. The part of command line, blah blah. Tests, operators. They start, global, options, list all non-executables in a directory. This one. a non-executable. MV works for bin packages. That's a good option though. That's I was thinking about using CP. However, MV also works. MV should work. CP should work. Let me test out if CP should work or not. CPR. Although I should use let's MSV. Hold up. So CPR. If no. Okay, I've merged it right. So up, I don't have that. If it doesn't work, then die will CP fail. Now let's try to merge it. Install. It's probably gonna fail. Either it's gonna fail or it's gonna be bring on the install things first. Source head. Yep, access. Install applications. Channel created error. Permission denied. CP set. So can I use image? Is it a variable called image here? Image here. So let's see. Or install directory. Why did I detect? Delete this. That failed to merge? Yes, I know. No. Dev manual. You have dev manual. With manual variables. Install there. So there. Yes. Okay. So voltage builder.work. Voltage builder.temp. D. Password temporary install directory. Oh, I should be using this. I should be using this. I should be using this. Thank you. So, OPT. Why did I? What the fuck did I type? D/OPT.p CP fail. Okay. Let me try to install it again. And CP failed. Not install.